tags on it, so I'll try to put it back together, but I think I'm going to have to take it apart and put her in the sauce. And then I do that for my friend, one of my Christian sisters, and send that to them. I try doing some type of little hand-drawn livery. I don't know, just messing around. I don't know what she thinks, but anything, sister? See, I like it. It's nice. That's definitely going to be a small. I find another nice vehicle. I'll use it up whatever color she wants that. Yeah. Or, if my friend doesn't want that, I'll happily send that to her. We've got some decals coming, so I might be a little bit. So, I just need people's civic addresses if I'm going to send them things. My email's there, and my info, I believe. So, anyway, have a great day. Lots and lots of sight. Very sweet. Lots and lots of sight. Yes, I am such a sci-fi geek. Oh, I can't stand it. I'm a very worldly geek. Captain Straw. I stand for G-E-E-K. Because I'm geekdom. This is my race. We had some fun. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Because of the one.